My name is Brandon Moak. I've been at RoyOMartin for 3.5 years, and I'm a construction millwright. When I was young, I felt like school wasn't for me, and then it just came to a point to where even my mom asked me if I just wanted to quit. And me being a kid, of course, I said yeah. And I quit. Once I quit, I went straight into the oil field. I was tired of being away from home. I worked on the road. I applied for RoyOMartin, and they gave me a call and gave me a chance. When I was in high school, I didn't have a care in the world. I didn't have bills. All I was worried about was hanging out and playing sport. Now I got a family. I've got a wife and 3 kids, and I've got to support them. And I knew there was going to come a point in time in my life when I was going to need my GED. Once I got here, there was a job opportunity, and I actually applied for it and had the job, but Miss Carey, she had to call me and say, oh, we can't offer you the job because it's a policy that you have to have a diploma or GED.
That was a hard conversation to have to tell him that the position he applied for and interviewed for, that he didn't qualify due to his lack of degree. As soon as supervisors realized that I was not eligible, the next day they came to me and, hey, we're going to help you do this.
I got a call from his leaders, and they were very upset. They said, Brandon was our pick for this position. However, he doesn't have a diploma. What can you do to help him? He's a great worker. They saw the opportunity for him to become a leader one day. So I reached out to COTCC, and they have a program called Work Ready U, which was wonderful for an employee with a full-time job. You could work online to practice your skills to get ready to take the HiSET, which is the Louisiana High School Equivalency Test. So we had him registered. He worked on practice test after practice test, getting ready. And he came to me one day, he said, I'm ready to take the test.
HR helped me through the whole process, and I got my GED.
And then the rest is a success story. He made it.
The day that I passed my final test, there was a pop that came open for a millwright position in the mill, and I popped for it. Now I have a chance. I won't get told no because I don't have a GED.
So many people wanted to be part of that conversation of telling him that he was being awarded the job.
Whenever I first found out, I was happy.
The biggest smile on his face, the joy that he had, it was indescribable.
I knew that I had succeeded. I got my GED, and I had furthered my career.
Brandon is a prime example of how the culture of our organization is believing in our people and the growth opportunities available for them.
RoyOMartin wants to see me succeed, and they want me to have the education to be able to succeed.
Not all companies stand behind what they say of retaining and growing their people, but that is absolute true with RoyOMartin.
I'd like to really thank my team members here at RoyOMartin for helping me through this. They were behind me the whole way. They helped me study. They gave me a chance to study, and they also gave me the opportunity to take the test, and I really appreciate that. I'm Brandon Moak, and I'm glad RoyOMartin believes in me.